Morning children. Now we are going to study about some bricks pattern. Let us go through the video.
Look at how the bricks are arranged in these floor patterns. Can you tell which pattern is arranged like the petals of a flower?
Children, can you guess which of these pattern is arranged like the petals of a flower? Which one? Maybe the first option A is look like a flower, So this may be our answer. Shall we check our answer?
In this pattern, the bricks are arranged like the petals of a flower.
Yes, our answer is correct. The next question.
Which one of these brick patterns is arranged in a circle?
Which one of these brick patterns is arranged in a circle? Which one is arranged in a circle form? Yes, the option B is arranged like a circle form. So this is our answer. Shall we check our answer?
This brick pattern is arranged in a circle.
Yes, our answer B is correct. That is arranged in circle format. Next question.
In which pattern can you see mirror half?
Our next question. In which pattern can you see mirror house? So which is in mirror half it may be. So we divide this pattern in half. We can show the both the sides are same. So this may be a mirror half. Shall we check our answer?
This pattern has mirror halves. Look how the dotted line divides the brick pattern into two mirror halves.
Yes, children, our answer is correct. The option C is our mirror halves. The next question. Which of these is not a brick? So, they given four options. Which one is not a brick, they ask. This one in a cuboid. This one cube. Then cylinder. Again this is in the cuboid format. So, which shape we can't see a brick? Yes, children. In cylindrical shape we can't see, no. So it may be our answer. So I select C and check our answer now. Yes, children, our answer is correct. Children, our next question is, which of the following combinations of shapes make up a brick? So see, here they given one brick. How many faces it has? So this face you see, this is look like square, This is the whole shape, this is look like square. So back side of this also may be a square. So how many squares? Two squares. You see here the side. It is in a rectangle form. Up. This is also in rectangle. So opposite side of this one, it may be a rectangle. Then the down also it may be a rectangle. So how many rectangles are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then how many squares? 1. The back side 2. So 2 squares and 4 rectangles. Where it is? The option C. It has 4 rectangles and 2 squares. So I select option C and check our answer. Yes, children, our answer is correct. The third question. How many phases of this brick can you see? How many faces? you can see now 1, 2, 3. So you can see 3 faces. Where is 3 faces? In option B. So I select option B and give submit. Yes, children, our answer is correct. The fourth question, where are brick patterns usually not seen? So this like pattern where you did not see. Roads, walls, ceilings and glass houses. So surely you know which option is which is our option? The glass house is our correct answer. So I select D. Check our answer. Our answer is correct, children. Fifth question. What shape is the face of a brick? So we all see the brick, you know, it is look like which shape, children? Yes, it's very good. This is look like rectangle shape. So our answer is D. Yes, children, our answer is rectangle. Today, I hope you all learned the shapes and patterns, especially the bricks patterns. Well, thank you, children. And our first question is, this is here. What's it giving here? This is a circle, you know, children. So where is our option? Our option in D. So I select D. So check our answer. Yes, our answer is correct. Then second question, this is here. What shape is this? Yes, very good. This is triangle. So where is our option? In C. So I select C and check our answer. Yes, our answer triangle is correct. So third question, choose the option which has a matching shape to the one given. They given the square shape here. Where it is? This is triangle. This is also triangle. This is circle. So this one is square. So I select C option and check. Yes, our answer is correct. Fourth question, which figure has a circle and a triangle? So which is a circle and triangle? So this is triangle and this is circle. So this is our correct option, children. Then this is a triangle, triangle. So this is also, this is not a square, this is a rectangle figure. This is squares and some circles merge in here. So where is our option? In D. So I select D and check our answer now. Yes, children, our answer is correct. Our fifth question, pick the odd one out. So this is a triangle, circle, triangle, circle. So which one is odd one out? Very good, circle. So I select B option and check our answer. Correct, children. Children, first question is, find the missing image in this pattern. You see here, they given one pattern here. The first one, second one, the third one and fourth. Children, the fourth is repeat again. Then the second also come here. Then first one come to last. So which image is missing here? Yes, the pink color image only missing, you know. So our answer is pink. Where it is? Is it in the B option? So I select B. I check our answer. Yes, children, our answer is correct. Children, next question. Find the missing image in this pattern. So you see a pattern. The first one, the camera, then some image here, the mask here, then one musical symbol here, then guitar. Next, here they ask question, then guitar, then watch, camera, and then the mask. So which image is missing here? Yes, very good. The symbol of the musical symbol, So I select option C and give submit. So our answer is correct. Children, our next question. What are the next three figures in this pattern? So see our pattern, the smiley face and star and then circle. So again the smiley, star and circle. So what comes next? Again the smiley, star and circle. Where it is? Yes, that option in B. So I select option B and give submit. Yes, children, our answer is correct. The next question. What is the next image in the pattern shown below? You see, children, here they given the set for only one. The next one, the leaf, the next one, and they give color. The third one, they shaded. First, second one leaf. They don't give any color here. Then the third one they given color. Fourth one they leave it, and fifth one. So what comes next? The sixth one they will leave and they give color for the seventh. So where it is? Yes, that is in option B. So I select option B and give submit. So our answer is correct. What is the next image in the pattern shown below? You see, children, the first one green, then orange, then blue, then yellow. The next one you see the orange, next one the blue. So what comes next? Surely it will be a yellow. So you search where it is, yellow color comes first. So option C has the yellow color come first. So I select option C and give submit. Yes, our answer is correct, children. Children, in this session, I hope you are all learned the pattern as well as the bricks pattern well. Thank you, children.